For the longest time, I was doing what most people do to lose belly fat, working out every single day, drinking caffeine for that energy boost, and pushing myself harder. But something felt off. I would get so exhausted that I needed more caffeine just to function. I didn't realize it then, but this routine was actually working against me. That's when I took a step back. I cut down my workouts to just 2 to 3 times a week, replaced intense workouts with regular walks, and started paying more attention to how my body felt rather than just chasing the burn. And guess what? My cortisol levels finally dropped, and that stubborn belly fat, it actually started going away because belly fat behaves very differently from fat in other parts of your body. It surrounds your organs, messes with your hormones, and silently increases your risk for serious diseases. So, if you want to get rid of belly fat naturally without side effects and in a way that supports long term health, this video is exactly what you need. I will tell you 5 simple yet powerful tips to actually lose belly fat. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what is belly fat and why it's dangerous. We have 2 types of fat in the body: subcutaneous fat and visceral fat. Subcutaneous is the one under your skin, the pinchable one. But visceral fat is the dangerous one. It wraps around your organs and silently damages your body from the inside. You can't see it easily. But if your waistline is growing, or you feel bloated, tired, or inflamed all the time, it could be visceral fat. And this kind of fat is metabolically active. That means it releases chemicals that mess with your insulin, increase inflammation, and even affect your mood and sleep. Now, most people think they just need to work out more to get rid of it. But that's where the problem starts. Now, you must be wondering why workouts alone aren't enough. If workouts were the only answer, we'd all have flat stomachs by now. But belly fat is hormonal fat. It's controlled by hormones like insulin, cortisol, and estrogen. And your hormones are controlled by your food, stress, sleep, and gut health. So unless you're fixing those things, exercise won't be enough. In fact, overtraining can increase cortisol and make belly fat worse. So here are 5 simple yet powerful tips to actually lose belly fat. Step number 1 is stabilize insulin. The most important hormone to tackle belly fat is insulin. When insulin is high, your body holds on to fat, especially around your belly. And the biggest driver of insulin is not fat, it's sugar and refined carbs. So the first thing to do, eliminate the hidden sugar. I'm not just talking about sweets. Sugar hides in bread, biscuits, fruit juices, breakfast cereals, even so-called healthy packaged snacks. You need to ditch those completely and instead build your meals around high protein foods and good fats. So instead of starting your day with toast or cornflakes, go for soaked nuts, seeds, eggs, or a protein smoothie. This stabilizes your blood sugar, reduces insulin, and kickstarts fat burning. Step number 2 is fix cortisol, which is the stress hormone. High cortisol makes your body store fat, especially around your belly. And most people are stuck in a state of low-grade constant stress. Scrolling late at night, overthinking, too much caffeine, poor sleep, it all raises cortisol. Here's what I want you to do. Start your day with 10 minutes of sunlight. No phone, just natural light. Stop eating 3 hours before bed to improve sleep. Do deep belly breathing for 5 minutes before sleeping. It calms your nervous system, reduces cortisol, and signals your body it's safe to burn fat. Just inhale so your belly rises, exhale so it falls. It's simple and it works. These small habits can reset your cortisol rhythm, and that means less belly fat storage. Step number 3, boost liver function. Your liver plays a huge role in fat metabolism. If your liver is sluggish, it won't process fat properly, and that shows up as a bloated belly. But our liver is overwhelmed due to too many chemicals, processed foods, and toxins. So the solution? Support your liver with bitter foods and natural detox support. 1 tablespoon of soaked methi seeds in the morning. A glass of warm water with lemon and ginger. Include cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, or radish in one meal. Also cut down on alcohol, processed snacks, and anything with artificial colors or preservatives. These things slow down your liver and speed up fat gain. Step 4 is focus on gut health. Most people don't realize that poor gut health leads to belly fat. If you're always bloated, constipated, or have acidity, your gut is not breaking down food properly. So what can you do? Have 1 tablespoon of homemade pickle or fermented food daily, like sauerkraut or kanji. Eat your dinner by 7 p.m. Chew every bite 25 to 30 times because digestion starts in your mouth. These small changes can drastically improve digestion and reduce that bloated belly. Step number 5 is fix your sleep. This one's underrated, but so powerful. Lack of sleep messes with your hunger hormones. You feel hungrier, crave sugar, and end up eating more the next day. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. And remember, sleep before midnight is more restorative. So try this. First, stop screen time 1 hour before bed. Second, use warm light instead of white light after sunset. And lastly, sip a cup of chamomile tea or nutmeg milk before sleep. Deep sleep creates balanced hormones, which eventually leads to less belly fat. I know belly fat can feel frustrating, especially when you feel like you're doing everything, but nothing changes. But now you know it's not about working out harder. It's about working smarter, fixing your hormones, your gut, your sleep, your liver. Your body wants to heal. You just need to give it the right tools. And the best part? These changes don't require expensive products or extreme diets. They just need consistency. So pick one step today and start. Because belly fat isn't just about looking fit. It's about feeling good, staying healthy, and protecting your future. Was this video helpful? Then please give it a thumbs up and send it to a friend who needs it. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you're always updated with new videos like this one.